here we'd like to find y prime, and this, if not impossible, would be extremely hard to solve explicitly for y and then take a derivative, and so we're going to use implicit differentiation. We're taking the derivative of each of these things, and every time we have a y involved, we need to remember that y is a function of x, and so we'd have a chain rule multiplied by the derivative of y. We have the sine of some stuff. The derivative of sine of some stuff is cosine of the stuff, and then multiplied by the derivative of what's inside, the x plus y. And the derivative of x is 1 plus, and the derivative of y is y prime. Now that's going to equal, and here we have a product rule. So we've got first times the derivative of the second. The derivative of cosine x is negative sine x. And then plus the second, which is cosine x, times the derivative of the first. And the derivative of y squared, we've got the power rule, 2y, and then the chain rule. The derivative of what's inside is y, and that derivative is y prime. Now we'd like to solve this for y prime, and we see we've got y prime in two different places. So let's first of all get rid of these parentheses, and then we'll collect our y prime terms. So I have cosine of x plus y plus cosine of x plus y multiplied by y prime equals negative y squared sine x plus 2y cosine x multiplied by y prime. Alright, now that we have our y prime terms identified here, let's get those on the same side, because then we'll factor out and be able to solve for those. So I'm going to leave my cosine x plus y here, and then I'm going to move this term over to join it, so that'll be plus y squared sine x. And on this side we have 2y cosine x y prime, and moving this one over, minus cosine x plus y y prime. Now I can factor the y prime out and leave me 2y cosine x minus cosine x plus y. And of course this other side doesn't change, and then we're going to be able to divide by this other factor so that we have the y prime by itself. So let's go ahead and divide by 2y cosine x minus cosine x plus y. So our derivative y prime is this.